Good morning. Today we will study about the preparation of haloarine or haloarenes. It is the second part of our chapter haloalkane and haloarenes. Beta, first of all, haloarenes. Naming of haloarene, classification of haloarene that already we discussed with haloalkane. Now our topic is haloarenes. Beta, haloarenes will be prepared by aromatic hydrocarbon, from aromatic hydrocarbon. Beta, in case of aromatic hydrocarbon, we have two types of reaction: nuclear reaction and side chain reaction. The side chain reaction follow the same method as that of preparation of haloalkane from the alkane, but nuclear reaction have some different conditions. If halogen directly attack on benzene, either the absence of side chain or in the presence of side chain. Here halogen attack on benzene in presence of sunlight. Answer: no reaction, because sunlight do not have enough energy to release proton from the benzene or highly stable compound. So some other condition is required. That other condition, the same reaction benzene is treated with halogen. This halogen may be chlorine or bromine. Iodine form this reaction, but that is the reversible reaction. Beta, in presence of halogen carrier anhydrous AlCl3 or anhydrous FeCl3 or anhydrous zinc chloride, any halogen carrier, in presence of halogen carrier, when strong heat the benzene or aromatic hydrocarbon with halogen, it will give haloarene. When the reaction directly takes place on the benzene, this type of reaction is known as nuclear reaction. Beta, this type of reaction is known as nuclear reaction. And one H is removed with another halogen. If this reaction is used for iodine, beta, it is reversible process. Reaction takes place, but it is reversible in nature. So iodobenzene can't be prepared by this method. Fluorobenzene does not prepare because HF is obtained and hydrofluoric acid is highly explosive in nature. These are known as nuclear reaction. Beta, suppose you have toluene. You have toluene and you provide chlorine in presence of sunlight. Reaction takes place or not? Or same reaction, we pass the chlorine in presence of anhydrous FeCl3 or any of these reagent. What happen? When sunlight is passed through the toluene in presence of chlorine, then reaction takes place, but reaction takes place on the branch side chain. We get 1-chloro-1-phenyl methane, release of HCl, and the reaction will stop up to trichloride, like this. That means we have mixture of three product: 1-chloro-1-phenyl methane, 1,1-dichloro-1-phenyl methane, 1,1,1-trichloro-1-phenyl methane. We get three mixtures because reaction stop up to last point where side chain do not have any hydrogen. But if the same toluene is treated with chlorine in presence of halogen carrier catalyst, we get mixture of product, orthochlorotoluene and parachlorotoluene. Orthochlorotoluene and parachlorotoluene, because methyl group is ortho-para-directing for the benzene. This reaction is known as side chain reaction. And if the reaction takes place directly on the benzene, halogen directly attack on the benzene, it is known as nuclear reaction. It is known as nuclear reaction. Now another, beta, second method for the preparation of haloarine is most important method, because it consists of name reactions as well as all the haloarenes, chlorobenzene, bromobenzene, iodobenzene, fluorobenzene, all can be prepared by that method. That method is known as from benzene diazonium salt. From benzene diazonium salt. Beta, this benzene diazonium salt, benzene diazo means N triple bond N. Why it is salt? Because nitrogen form 4 bond with positive charge, and this positive charge is neutralized by another compound, another anion, that is benzene diazonium salt or benzene diazonium chloride. In place of salt you must be use chloride, because number of time 90% there is chloride. First reaction involved in it is known as Sandmeyer reaction. Beta, Sandmeyer's reaction. Sandmeyer reaction. From the Sandmeyer reaction we will obtain chlorobenzene as well as bromobenzene. Chlorobenzene and bromobenzene. Beta, in this case benzene diazonium chloride, you may write this as like this also. It is treated with HCl in presence of copper chloride. If we add hydrochloric acid, we will get chlorobenzene. We will get chlorobenzene. This nitrogen gas will release, and this H combined with Cl to release HCl. We will add HCl and remove HCl, so HCl not be written here. We will get chlorobenzene. If we add HBr in presence of copper bromide, if we add HCl, copper chloride, HBr, copper bromide, later we will get bromobenzene. This H is removed with Cl and nitrogen gas escaped out, and we will get bromobenzene. This is the name reaction, Sandmeyer reaction. If in your exam write Sandmeyer reaction, you will clearly write chlorobenzene and bromobenzene both can be prepared by Sandmeyer reaction. Diazonium salt treated with HCl to give chlorobenzene, treated with HBr to give bromobenzene in presence of their halogen carrier copper chloride or copper bromide. Now the same reaction, beta, Sandmeyer reaction is just similar as Gettermann reaction. Gettermann reaction. This reaction is also used to form the chlorobenzene or bromobenzene. For the preparation of chlorobenzene and bromobenzene, we also get Gettermann reaction. Beta, whole reaction will be same. In presence of catalyst, we will use only copper powder. In place of copper chloride or copper bromide, we will use copper powder, and reaction remain same. This is our another reaction. Third, beta, reaction with Ki solution. When benzene diazonium chloride, beta, when benzene diazonium chloride treated with potassium iodide and warm only. Better not heat, only warm, that you will bear on this part. Slightly heat, only warm. You will get iodobenzene. You will get iodobenzene. Nitrogen gas release as it is, plus this potassium react with chlorine to give potassium chloride. Iodobenzene is prepared by this method, but this is not the name reaction. This is not the name reaction. Another is known as beta Ball-Schiemann reaction. Another one is the Ball-Schiemann reaction. In case of Ball-Schiemann reaction, we will obtain fluorobenzene only. We will obtain fluorobenzene only. Beta, in this case, benzene diazonium chloride is treated with. Benzene diazonium chloride is treated with fluorinating agent tetrafluorohydroborane. Tetrafluorohydroborane. Then we will get a salt, that is benzene diazonium tetrafluoroborate. This remain as it is. Only chlorine is reacted with H2QHCl and we will get another salt. This another salt is strongly heated in presence of acid. We will get fluorobenzene. And nitrogen gas release with releasing electron deficient compound BF3. And from this reaction we will obtain fluorobenzene. Better, from this reaction we will obtain fluorobenzene. Clear? Now another method for the preparation of haloarine also be studied in case of haloalkane. That is Hans-Dicker reaction. Better, that is Hans-Dicker reaction. That is silver salt of fatty acid react with halogen in presence of carbon tetrachloride to give haloalkane. Now this fatty acid is carboxylic acid, benzoic acid, silver salt of benzoic acid react with bromine in presence of carbon tetrachloride. Better, we will obtain bromobenzene. One of the bromine released with silver and carbon dioxide removed as gas in the atmosphere and we will get bromobenzene. Better, we will also obtain chlorobenzene with the same reaction. But chlorobenzene obtained is only 2 to 3%. Less yield. Remaining is wastage. It will give more yield. But fluoro and iodo can't be prepared by this method. Clear? Fluorobenzene and iodobenzene can't be prepared. Better, preparation of haloarine consists of 3 methods. Aromatic hydrocarbon, nuclear or side chain reaction. From benzene diazonium chloride, it consists of 4 reactions: Getterman reaction, Sandmeyer reaction, reaction with Kiai and Ball-Schiemann reaction. 3 are the name reaction. And last one is the Hans-Dicker reaction, that is silver salt of fatty acid. In place of alkane, we will use benzene, aromatic hydrocarbon, and we will get bromobenzene in more yield, and chlorobenzene will be obtained, that is in less quantity, very less amount. Thank you. Now we will discuss about the chemical properties of haloarenes. Better, chemical properties of haloarenes. Haloarenes is less reactive as compared to haloalkane due to their resonance. That question will be discussed later. Now chemical property. Beta, haloarine have less chemical property as compared to haloalkane, but those properties given by haloarine, first, substitution by hydroxyl group. Substitution by hydroxyl group. Beta, as the reactivity of haloarine increase, as the reactivity or activation of haloarine increase, reagent may be weaker, that is okay. First of all, beta, we have chlorobenzene. Chlorobenzene is treated with sodium hydroxide, that is 6 to 8% solution of sodium hydroxide at 623 Kelvin temperature and 300 atmospheric pressure. Beta, HCl is removed in the form that NaCl and water is removed, and we will obtain sodium phenoxide. When this sodium phenoxide is treated with dilute HCl, beta, it is strong electrolyte, H positive, Cl negative. Dilute means in water. This H positive replace the sodium ion and we will obtain phenol. Beta, it is commercial method for the preparation of phenol. This process is known as Dawes process. Now, if the reactivity of chlorobenzene will increase, we will increase the reactivity of chlorobenzene by addition of electron withdrawing group. So reactivity of this haloarine is increased and we will add NaH. The percentage of NaH is 15%. On heating, at 443 Kelvin temperature. On heating with 443 Kelvin temperature, because reactivity of haloarine increase. Beta, we will get again sodium phenoxide, nitro at para position, 4 nitro sodium phenoxide. Under treated with dilute HCl, again NaCl is removed and we will obtain para-nitrophenol. Beta, here temperature will decrease and percentage of NaH increase. Now reactivity more increase. Beta, our chloro group or halogen group is ortho-para-directing. So if we increase the number of nitro, they will be increased only at ortho and para position. Clear? Now we will add NaH. Beta, only aqueous solution of NaH is sufficient. And temperature will more increase, that is approximate 368 Kelvin. 1 atmospheric pressure. We will end in presence of dilute HCl. Both steps are condensed. We will obtain 2,4-dinitrophenol. Because reactivity increase more. And now we will add 3 group, 2, 4, 6 trinitrophenol. Beta, this trinitrophenol chlorobenzene must react with water. No need to be at NaH. It react with water to give picric acid. To give 2,4,6-trinitrophenol, that is commonly known as picric acid. Clear? That is commonly known as picric acid, and reaction takes place at room temperature. Beta, only this reaction is known as dose process. Other are increasing the reactivity. But in each and every case, in all the cases, halogen is replaced by OH group. Halogen is replaced by OH group, other groups are ineffective. This is substitution reaction or substitution only by OH group. Another type of reaction shown by the haloarine is electrophilic substitution reaction. It is nucleophilic. Other are electrophilic substitution reaction. Better, these reactions are halogenation, in case of halogenation, what will happen? Beta, haloarine maybe chlorine, bromine, fluorine, iodine, anything. Haloarine is treated with halogen in presence of halogen carrier. FeCl3, AlCl3, zinc chloride, anything. Beta, we will get ortho dichloro and para dichlorobenzene. We get mixture of ortho dichloro and para dichlorobenzene. 1,2 position is ortho dichlorobenzene. It is para dichlorobenzene. Beta, para 1 is major product and ortho 1 is minor product. Because of steric hindrance, two similar groups are closer together. The steric hindrance increase in case of ortho group, which make it less stable. Here, same reaction will be done with bromine. Iodo and fluoro reactions are not generally used. Second one, beta, sulfonation. Second one is the sulfonation. Chlorobenzene is heated with concentrated sulfuric acid. H from benzene, ortho or para position, release with OH of this group. Water is released, and beta, we will get mixture of ortho or para chloro benzene sulfonic acid. OH is removed, na? SO3H remains. It will attack. Out of chlorine and sulfonic acid group. Sulfonic acid is more reactive. So its name is orthochlorosulfonic acid or parachlorosulfonic acid. Beta, orthochlorosulfonic acid or parachlorosulfonic acid, or you may say orthochlorobenzene sulfonic acid, parachlorobenzene sulfonic acid. Again, which one is more stable? Major product is para. This one is minor. Clear? Third one is the nitration. Chlorobenzene is treated with nitrating mixture. This nitrating mixture consists of equimolar concentration of concentrated nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid. Beta, sulfuric acid acts as catalyst only, and we will get orthochloronitrobenzene and parachloronitrobenzene. Orthochloronitrobenzene and parachloronitrobenzene. water is removed. Clear? Ortho product is measured as like other, and one of the name reaction under the heading of electrophilic substitution reaction, that is Friedel-Crafts reaction. Beta, Friedel-Crafts alkylation, Friedel-Crafts acylation. Friedel-Crafts alkylation. In this case, chlorobenzene is treated with alkyl halide in presence of anhydrous aluminium chloride. Beta, chlorobenzene is ortho para directing, so it will attack on ortho and para group. Alkyl group attack on ortho and para group. That means we will obtain orthochlorotoluene or parachlorotoluene, because toluene is hydrocarbon. Orthochlorotoluene or parachlorotoluene. And HCl is removed. The same reaction, Friedel-Crafts acylation. In case of acylation, acyl group, acetyl group is added. Beta, chlorobenzene is treated with acetyl chloride. Acetyl chloride, it is acetyl chloride, common name. IUPAC is ethanoyl chloride, common name acetyl chloride, treated in presence of anhydrous aluminium chloride. Anhydrous aluminium chloride is only the catalyst used in Friedel-Crafts reaction. Beta, we will obtain orthochloroacetophenol, parachloroacetophenol. This one is major, this one is minor, and beta, HCl is removed. HCl is removed. This is our second application, second chemical property of haloarine. Now another chemical property of haloarine is, which one is another chemical property? Another chemical property of haloarine is beta, reaction with metal. Reaction with metal as like haloalkane. In your lower class you will study that aromatic compound benzene and alkane have similar property. Clear? Third property is reaction with metal. Beta, in case of haloalkane you will study Woods reaction. Just like Woods reaction, we have Fittig reaction. In this case, 2 moles of haloarine react with sodium in presence of dry ether. In presence of dry ether, beta, we will obtain diphenyl. These are removed and both the benzene combined together to give diphenyl. Clear? If we have iodobenzene in place of chloro or bromobenzene, if we have iodobenzene, it will react with copper. 2 moles of iodobenzene react with copper in presence of dry ether. Dry ether means removal of moisture. Beta, we also obtain diphenyl. We also obtain diphenyl. This reaction is also name reaction, that is Ullmann reaction. Ullmann's reaction. Clear? One more reaction, that is the Franklin reaction. If we have haloarine, either chloro or bromo, react with zinc, 1 mole of zinc, 2 moles of haloarine, react with 1 mole of zinc. In presence of dry ether, we also get diphenyl. Just like Fittig reaction. But in this reaction we will use zinc, and this reaction is known as Franklin reaction. This reaction is known as Franklin's reaction. Clear? Now another one is the Woods-Fittig reaction. Woods-Fittig reaction. In this case, 1 mole of haloalkane react with 2 mole of sodium in halobenzene. Beta, we will get alkyl benzene. Beta, these are the properties of haloarine. By the reaction, Woods-Fittig reaction, we will get haloalkane react with halobenzene in presence of sodium in dry ether, we get alkyl benzene. Suppose in your exam, convert chlorobenzene into toluene, convert chloromethane into toluene. This is the direct reaction. Thank you.